Alrighty, Friday 13th, 2024, September, 3:45 in the afternoon, Georgia Highway 335. We've just come out of Jefferson, headed towards Nicholson. Unincorporated. Trying to get the temperature, but we have very poor connection. This will be the third Friday the 13th video. 72 degrees. Already come past 3 or 4 subdivisions heading towards Nicholson. This brings us out around 441 somewhere. This one about 7 or 8 minutes. We've done 2 sort of short ones today. We've got a couple of, well, I don't know how long they'll be, maybe 10, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. And we'll try to get up tonight, so we'll try to have about 5 Friday the 13th videos. Uploading from the phone instead of the one of them I'll have today, or 2 of them tonight, will be from the GoPro and the Insta360. I may combine them, but I don't know yet. But yeah, it's just so much easier to upload from the phone, but the phone doesn't give you the stabilization. Oh, chicken houses, don't they smell good? Anybody never been around a chicken house? You don't know what you're missing. They're wonderful. Or around the field when they spread the chicken manure, it just takes your breath away. It's so wonderful. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 behind us. Y'all didn't know that many people lived in Nicholson, did you? Me either. Another new subdivision. Lots anyway. We'll be crossing over the old line from Athens to Commerce at some point, railroad line. I think. couldn't say what this is, but it may be the North Oconee River. I'm not sure, but I got a feeling that may be it. This was Georgia 335. Good bit of relatively new housing out here. Another nice lake. Some more new homes. Woods are filling up, my folks. Georgia is full, folks. Georgia's full. Gotten to be, what, 8 minutes long? Okay, we're coming out up here somewhere. We'll probably turn this off, it'll be a wrap. This looks like 441. I guess we'll be in Nicholson. Close to it, we'll scare the pants off of it. We'll go across the street and let you see Nicholson. Well, we barely made that one, didn't we? We could go to Big Dog Barbecue, get us barbecue for dinner tonight. Where is town? Now this is going to be old, probably old 441, my guess. Here we go. Got the Nicholson water tank down here. Yeah, and this is that old line from Athens to Commerce. And this is still active. Nicholson's got its own water authority. East Jackson Park. We've been there for one of my granddaughter's games. Nicholson City Park. We'll turn right there and go in, get this car off of us. nice park. Shoot, we could ride the bicycle over here. I was thinking there was a little town of Nicholson though. Where is it? Where would it be? Yeah, I know. We hadn't cut it off yet. We got cans rolling around back here aggravating us. Turn right here and work our way back to 441, and we'll turn it off, and that'll be a wrap. That'll be a 12-minute video. That stuff sort of secure back there. It sure is rattling around. We're going to turn this off. It'll be a wrap. We're going to get back there and secure that stuff better. Okay, we're going to cut it off and be a wrap.